are going to do a little get ready with me video. I have an OOTD because I'm going on a date tonight with my boyfriend. We are going out to dinner with his sister, or both of his sisters, and one of his sister's husbands. And then we are going to go swing dancing, which I am super excited about because I love swing dancing. So Mark kind of gave that to me as part of my Christmas present, and he took like secret swing dancing lessons, so I'm really excited to kind of show them what we've got. We kind of practiced last night for swing dancing, and it was pretty fun. So hope you enjoy this video, and I will try to get a video of us swing dancing, but we're going just the two of us, so I'm gonna have to ask someone that is random to film for us. But enjoy.
Baby, take my hand, follow me. Let's leave this world behind, set us free. And I will give you everything that you need. So take a chance, let your heart chase that beat. And baby, you're all that I want. I need you like a voice needs a song. So let your eyes take you where you belong. Just say the word and we can be gone. So take my hand, I'll guide you to the land where the stars always shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. where the sky meets the sea, when no one else is around here to watch. So take a chance, give your heart what it needs. Baby, I can see it in your heart. I know that you can feel it in the dark. It's what you see when you close your eyes. So baby, let me take you to the stars. Take my hand, I'll guide you to a land where the stars will shine. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. And under the moonlight we'll dance, and we'll dance. How could I freeze this moment? I need this forever now. I know what's this about, never had a doubt. You'll always be mine. There ain't no one better, just want you forever. Won't ever let you down. Tonight's all about us, all the things we've done, and the years to come, to people we'll become. I swear I'd do anything that it would take, just to be by your side, to be by your side tonight. How I could just be your lane in your arms. This is my safe haven. I know what's this about, never had a doubt. You'll always be mine. There ain't no one better, just want you forever. Won't ever let you down. Tonight's all about us, all the things we've done, and the years to come, to people we'll become. I swear I'd do anything that it would take, just to be by your side, to be by your side tonight.
What I'm wearing. So I just have this Eddie Bauer turtleneck on, very cozy and comfy. with my Michael Kors watch. It's the rose gold Baker 32mm watch. Love this thing. I just have on black Hollister jeans with my black tall boots from Target. And then these little boot cuffs that just kind of match my sweater to tie it all together. So that is the completed look. So I thought I would kind of do a close-up. I have these earrings on. And my makeup, I'll kind of do a little close-up. So I have kind of a dark lip, which is how I really like it. A little bit of blush on my cheeks. My eyebrows are done, as you saw in my makeup video. And here, I'll close my eyes, kind of zoom in on my eyeballs here. So yeah, that is the completed date night look. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye! So swing dancing was so cool. The place we went was just awesome. Like, there was a whole bar, all these people dancing, like different types of difficulty or beginners, all that stuff. But it was just a really cool place. The live music was amazing. So this is just a little clip I took, and unfortunately I did not get a video of Mark and I. But it was just a really cool place to go. So I'm looking forward to hopefully going back.